My brother, my dear sister, after a few days when we pass, people start forgetting us. Our wealth, properties will be distributed. The tears will dry. What happened after your neighbor died? What happened after your cousin died years ago? Anybody still remember them? Why do you think that me and you are going to be different? If you want to know what happens after your death, look what happened after someone else's death. So what's the point? The point is we will be alone in that grave. Allah Azza wa Jal swearing by Himself. Allah swearing by Himself. What does He say? I will ask them 100%. I will question everyone about what they used to do. We will be questioned about everything. Everything. I don't want to be from the people حتى إذا جاء أحدهم الموت قال رب ارجعون. We don't want to be from the people, Ya Allah, please bring me back. Ya Allah, please bring me back. إلى أجل قريب, just for a short period of time. What do you want to do? Ya Allah, I want to wear the hijab. Ya Allah, I want to pray every salat on time. Ya Allah, please bring me back. I want to give in charity. Ya Allah, please bring me back. I want to read the Quran. I want to be good to my parents. Ya Allah, bring me back. Ya Allah, please bring me back just for a short period of time. Allah said, that's it. You were given so much time. You were given so many talks. You watched so many videos. You have attended so many Jum'ahs. And every one of them was a reminder to come back to Allah. And you kept on telling yourself, I have a lot of time to come back to Allah. And then the angel of death comes. When he comes, he doesn't send a text message or an email or a phone call, I'm coming. He comes faj'ah, suddenly. A car accident, a drown, a sickness. Allahu Akbar. So my brothers and sisters, this is the time. This is the time to make that night, the first night in the grave, the best night ever. So from now, stop all the things that might ruin that night. Stop the riba, stop the gambling, stop the alcohol, stop the cheating, stop the infidelity, stop the smoking, stop dealing with haram, stop selling haram, stop buying haram. Wallahi, Allah is all truthful. He said there will come a time that we will come back and say, Ya Allah, bring us back. Subhanallah.